Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to replace the air intake with a cold air intake for our BMW 320i.
So first we gotta unscrew our sensors that go into the intake. So there's 2 screws, so I'm getting one right now, and then I'm gonna head to the other one. All right, there's 1 screw. Don't lose these because you have to plug this back into your new intake. All right, so then we have to release this clamp so then we can release the intake from the car. Yeah. All right, our next step is to take this off. So first you're gonna take off this one on this side. Then once you've got that side off, you're gonna do it from the center. All right, 2 off. And then there's one last one over here. All right, so our next screw we're gonna unscrew is right here. So we're just gonna, wrong way. It's apparently lefty loosey, righty tighty kids. All right. All right, so this little piece right here is actually connected right here in this hose. So right underneath it, to release it, there's a little clamp, and it's really easy. You just release that, and then release the hose from it. All right, so make sure this clamp is loose and your clamp down there is off of your hose down there, and you're just gonna slide it off. Kind of twist it so it gets a little bit more loose. And the hose is off. All right guys, so basically you're gonna take your J-tube. This is the new one, and you're just gonna slide it in there. All right, our next step is to take this little piece out. All right, so we just have to fit the box in. We got the box in, so now I've got my screws. So basically you're gonna take a washer, put a washer on the top, then you're gonna put it through here, and then take a washer first on the bottom and screw in a bolt on the bottom. So a washer first, then screw on a bolt. Make sure it is tight.
Then we'll tighten it down with a wrench.
All right, so this was our next step. We took the other tube we had and we added these onto it. They're little rubber pieces, so there's one here and one here. So we put a clamp onto this one. This one is all tightened down. This one is loose. And there's another one down here that's all tightened up, but this one's loose. So we're gonna tighten these ones and make sure it's all snug on there. Make sure it's snug on the bottom, and we're gonna just tighten these up. All right, so next we then reattach the sensor back into there. So just screwed it on, and now that sensor's all back in there. And then our next step is to take this, and we're gonna put it on right there. Just make sure it's nice and snug on there. All right, guys, so we got that on. I'm just gonna tighten the clamp over here.
Righty tighty, righty tighty.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Just make it nice and snug.
Yep. Make sure all of your clamps also are very, very snug on there. All right, the last step was to just put the heat cover on, screw all the screws down, and then you're all set.
Okay, so that's it guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll put a link in the description below to the cold air intake that we got for our 320i, but of course check your car to see what fits. We'll see you next time. Thanks.